Kind of super disappointed because we are traveling from far off and the match got abandoned. We actually entered the stadium at 6:30 and it's been raining cats and dogs heavily since then. And yeah, IPL resumed today, but super disappointed that the match got abandoned due to heavy rains in Bangalore.
I think you were a KKR fan and it was much needed to win them.
Yeah, it was a must win for KKR. I think we got eliminated today, so that is disappointing as a KKR fan. There was only, I think, very few KKR fans in the stadium. Maybe I was one of the only ones in my stand. But yeah, I think things happen like this. You can't control the weather. So yeah, disappointing as a KKR fan. But I think Bangalore qualifies. I'm not sure because they are on 17 points after this. But yeah, I hope, good for Bangalore and their fans. I think all of them were wearing white jerseys. Even I wore a white jersey because for the support for Virat Kohli. So yeah, it was good to see the support at the stadium. But sad that we could not give that kind of a farewell to Virat Kohli. And I hope the fans again wear white jerseys at the SRH game and then can give some support to Virat Kohli after he has retired from Test cricket.
I think it is disappointing because considering the fact that it was constantly raining. However, I think we still have 2 more games to go, and with 2 more games, we are looking to come back on the board. We have 17 points right now, and we are almost through for the playoffs, which we have been doing consistently since I think last 4 years now. But I think the cup seems very close to me this time.
After a week break, it was unexpected that matches will start again.
Yeah, but then it has started. But we cannot blame the week-long break that we had. I think we should blame the rain. But it's made the climate a lot better here. So I think 2 more games and we look forward to it.
Very disappointed. I'm like a RCB fan and I wanted to support Virat because it is his last. After retirement, I wanted to see his first match in RCB and it feels disappointing actually. We cannot blame the weather, but anyways, I actually wanted to see him play and I've come from Coorg to watch him play and it's
Waited so long, but
yeah, we waited so long until I hope until 10:56 they waited, right? So anyways, bad luck.
Very, very much disappointed. We came here around 5 o'clock. We waited till 9:45. We bought tickets in black also because the tickets were all sold out. But unfortunately, we couldn't see the match. And this was the first match actually. This was the first match.
Many of the Virat Kohli fans came in white as he announced retirement.
Yes.
Are you also a supporter of Virat Kohli?
Yes, definitely. We are supporters of Virat Kohli. But I doubt if I'll ever come to this match again because this was a great disappointment.
After Pahalgam, there was a week break. Do you think it's a much needed match for the fans?
We could have postponed this match for some time because I understand it's a difficult time for India. But it's fine. Things have been a bit better between India and Pakistan now. So I think it's okay. If the match happened, it's fine. It's completely fine.
Your name?
Yeah. Akriti Kedia.
2 hours of permission from office to see this match today. So it is very disappointing for not happening the match because of this rain. So I hope we'll come for the next match to see the match and hope RCB win the match and we see the RCB in the playoffs.
It's the first match after the week break.
Yes.
I think it was much needed for the fans.
Yes, we were eagerly waiting for the match of RCB to watch it today in the Chinnaswamy Stadium, but we are absolutely disappointed today due to rain.
Your name?
Shiva.
बहुत बुरा लग रहा है मैच बंद होने के बाद क्योंकि हम विराट कोहली को देखने आए थे ओनली उनको ट्रिब्यूट देने आए थे कि उनका टेस्ट क्रिकेट से रिटायरमेंट हो गया है तो अभी तो कुछ वर्ड्स में एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर सकते हैं कितना बुरा लग रहा है बहुत बट विराट कोहली के डिसीजन को हम सपोर्ट करते हैं और जो भी उनका आगे डिसीजन रहेगा हम हमेशा उनके साथ है ही विल ऑलवेज बी अवर कैप्टन
बहुत सारे फैंस कह रहे हैं कि उनका फिटनेस लेवल और भी बहुत ठीक था बिल्कुल 3-4 साल के लिए खेल सकते
ऑब्वियसली सच कह रहे हैं
इट वाज शॉकिंग डिसीजन
सच बोल रहे हैं
सच बोल रहे हैं ग्रेटेस्ट कैप्टन बीसीसीआई प्लेड पॉलिटिक्स
he just revived test cricket again like big players said that that big players said that Test cricket needs Virat Kohli. So the way he pulls off the game from every situation, we should learn from him. Like never giving up attitude.
So all of you guys are very much disappointed.
Very disappointed. He could have played 4-5 years easily in Test cricket.
इस मैच से मैं बहुत मतलब ट्राइब्यूट देना चाहता था विराट कोहली को, बट मैच अबंडेंट हो गया तो बहुत दुखी लग रहा है. सो होप विराट डू वेल इन द ODIs as well. So all the best Virat for ODIs.
Yeah, it was a disappointing moment for everyone. We had a hope that RCB would win this match, but the Rain had other plans, and all we could do hope the best for the RCB and people, and try to cheer them up.
RCB once again in good first place.
Yeah.